In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open and log into Maya. So I'm going to go ahead and open Maya. Now, if you are on a Windows, the process would be very similar. So you're going to open the software, and by default, it's going to open up your default web browser. And I'm going to sign in using my Autodesk account. For my students, you will use your school email address and then your Autodesk account that you set up earlier. And then punch in your password. And it will sign in. Then click Go to Product. If it asks this, go ahead and choose Open Autodesk Identity Manager. Give it a moment, and it will start to open Maya. And I'm in. And then I can click New or Open. But that's how to sign in.